Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless. Yeah, so we haven't really done too many videos on Cricket Wireless lately, but with it being Sunday today, I have the day off. Let's go ahead and take a look. So Cricket Wireless is doing a kind of trial day plan, 2-week trial plans, 14 days. So a lot of carriers are starting to do these kind of, hey, come try out our network. I think Visible Wireless does that. Now Cricket Wireless is doing it, and Cricket Wireless has been the one carrier that I've never actually tried. I think I might have tried them once, and here in my area it wasn't that good. But this was years ago, so it must have improved by now. This was even before they had 5G or anything like that. And remember, Cricket Wireless does use AT&T towers, but of course you do get basically a prepaid version of it. But let's get into it. It says, try Cricket Wireless on us. People who come to Cricket stay with Cricket. Now, they do have really good family plans, I would say that. Now, you can say why. Our 14-day free trial lets you test drive Cricket on your phone without disrupting your existing service with your current carrier. Wow. It's pretty cool. Might have to try that. So like I said, Cricket Wireless does let you try their service for 14 days without you having to port your number over to them. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see, it's only available on the App Store. So it has to be on the App Store, should I say, on the Apple App Store. It's not on Android just yet. I'm not even sure if it will come to Android, but it is available for iPhones. It says, what's your 14-day trial include? Unlimited talking text, 3 gigs of data in Cricket's 5G network. Of course, to do the Cricket's 5G network, you do need to have a 5G compatible device, and you have to be in a 5G area that AT&T covers. Here in my area, the closest one's about 2 hours away, so it's not really worth it for me. But so how Try Cricket works, and like I said, this program is called Try Cricket. So first you'll download the Try Cricket app, confirm phone compatibility, order the trial SIM, activate Try Cricket trial, try out our network at home, work, and play. So you do need an unlocked GSM compatible phone, 1 trial per person, 5 people per address, US only, video is limited to standard definition quality. You'll receive a trial phone number which belongs to Cricket, and it's not available to be ported out to another carrier, and they will retain it. So Apple will let you borrow phone numbers. You cannot port it out. Video streaming is in SD quality, and I think that's a big factor with me of why I haven't tried Cricket or used them as my main carrier is just because, like I said, I like to watch a lot of YouTube, anime, Netflix, and I like to watch in full HD. That's just me. I know a lot of people have Wi-Fi, but a lot of places, sometimes when I go out and about, I don't have Wi-Fi. So that's a big thing. Maybe in the future, if Cricket does do more 5G coverage in my area and bumps up from standard definition to HD quality, even if I have to pay a little bit more, it'd be worth it. It says how to activate your free trial. It says once you're in the Try Cricket app, you'll receive instructions to start your trial based on whether you're using a physical SIM or using an physical SIM compatible phone. Now they do have eSIM as well, so it says benefits of eSIM. Start trial in 15 minutes or less. Run trial You can run the trial at the same time as your current service. That way they can have them stacked up. No waiting for a physical SIM. So if you have an iPhone 14, of course, you will have to do eSIM. There's no physical SIM at all for the 14. Now, if you have a 13 and under, remember this is only for iPhones, then of course you can order it or even do the eSIM if your phone's compatible. What do you do when the trial ends? It says all good. Things don't have to come to an end. If you want to switch to Cricket, you can get started in the app, bring the phone you love, BYOD, or shop one of their deals. And then, of course, you can download the app, explore 5G, or shop for phones. Of course, there's no annual contracts, no credit checks, prepaid, no hidden fees, and no stress. So overall, I think Cricket is a good carrier. I do want to try them out. I will probably have to try them out eventually. So Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I know it's a short video, but would you give Cricket Wireless a try? And have you, or are you using Cricket as your current provider? Let me know how they work. Are they great? The speeds, and does the video streaming bother you at all? So, not bad at all. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to support the channel, you can in the description below with Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds your best promo codes on popular shopping websites. And also, right now, I will have Visible. If you want to try out Visible, I do have a discount code that you can use that gives you a discount. So check that out in the description below. Thank you, guys, and have a nice day.